Hey folks, Scott from IT Rockstars. Hope you're well on Sunday. I'm just hanging out. You know where I'm hanging out. My man cave on my recliner, of course. I was going to do a video from the car, but I thought, hey, I'll just wait till I get home before I do my sort of daily live video. Anyway, this video is really just going to be a little bit about lead magnets. If you don't know what a lead magnet is, we kind of did discuss it yesterday. So check the video up from yesterday, but it's really just a way for people to come to your website and enter their contact details on your website, and then when they've entered their contact details on your website, you kind of know that they're interested in the services that you provide or the stuff that you're talking about in your marketing material. Now, if you didn't know this already, IT Rockstars actually produce marketing material for other IT companies. We produce white label content. You can check out itrockstars.co.uk. We even have lead magnets. So that is, we provide you guys with a lead magnet for local businesses in your area. So they'll come to you, they'll see your content online, somewhere like LinkedIn, and then they'll want to download that lead magnet. So the lead magnet, as an example, it's just a media resource. It's a PDF or an infographic or something like that, something that's going to be useful for the business owner to get their hands on and actually use. So that's what a lead magnet is. If you want to see what those lead magnets are, all you have to do is go to itrockstars.co.uk, sign up for the free trial month. You'll see what the lead magnets are. You'll get them for free. You can use them on your own website, and you can use all the content on your own website for free as well for that first month. If you like the service, you can continue the subscription, and we produce 4 articles every month, so you can get a new article that goes out every week onto your LinkedIn to help educate businesses in your local area about the technology solutions that you provide. So it's a brand new service for 2019, so and we can only limit it to particular geographical areas. So if you don't go for it now, one of your competitors probably will. And we also have a sort of January price special on it as well, because it's a brand new service. We're looking for feedback on it, so check it out. I do not have much planned for the rest of today. I'm just got a few more things to do on the computer, and then I'm going to have a nice curry with my wife. I think that's probably it. I might go out for a walk in the park. It's a little bit windy here up in Aberdeen, Scotland today. January wind, but it's quite mild. Hey, I'm talking about the weather on a Facebook Live. Wow, it's a great video. Anyway, as I say, check it out, itrockstars.co.uk, and you can check out that free trial, 4 weeks. I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.